I want to take a moment and just talk about the LGB and Tractor Supply. Y'all, I just cannot believe they did this. I cannot believe Tractor Supply sponsored this, and I wouldn't have believed it if I hadn't have seen it for my own two eyes. Um, Tractor Supply back in November went and supported a trans trans trannies is what I call them, a tranny story time for kids. They claimed that it was going to be a family event. To start with, who would take their kids to something like this? I mean, think about it. Would you take your kids to something like this? A man dressed as a woman reading your child a story? Oh my gosh. And Tractor Supply literally sponsored this. And this is back in November. Now, prior to that, Tractor Supply had sponsored another one that happened in Tennessee. I can't remember the name of the city, but the one that happened in November, this past November, y'all, that's November 2022. Um, it was down in Waco, Texas. And I'm telling you, I would not have believed this if I hadn't have seen it, because I never did think that Tractor Supply would sponsor something like this, because that's totally out of their customers. You know, they're not customers. Let's get it real. And anyway, they did their little story time, and there was this dude. I seen the video for myself. I can't find any of this stuff anymore because Tractor Supply has taken it down, and it had on the comments, "Thank you to Tractor Supply for sponsoring this event from the LGBTQRST," you know, whatever it is, the rest of the letters, and you know. Tractor Supply tried to lie about it, say that they didn't sponsor it, they didn't know, all this other stuff. They knew, y'all. They knew exactly what they were sponsoring. You just don't throw your company's name up there and know that if the right people found out, like people like me that stand up for what I believe in, you know, you're going to lose customers. Because I believe that you know, it's not about the LGBTQRST, you know, whatever it is. It's about the kids, y'all. We have to step up as adults and protect these kids. This man on video was rubbing his genitals like he was in a bar, a triple X bar, and all he was missing was the pole. I'm telling you, he was dressed like a woman, rubbing his genitals in front of I'm guessing, 6 to 8 year old boy. Now, is this the message that we really want to send to our children? I mean, think about it. Would you send that to your children? Tell them it's okay? Because where I come from, we believe in the Bible. The Bible made Adam and Eve. He never made Adam and Steve. Come on, y'all. We living in the days of Adam and Gomorrah. This is the law of land, not the laws of land, but the law of jungle. Come on, man. These parents they have no morals, and I think that they should be held accountable for every bit of that, every bit of it. I think YSF should come in. That's Youth and Family Services. YFS should come in, take those kids away, because that's like subjecting them to sexual stuff. You know what I'm saying? It just ain't moral. It's not right. So, you know, at the end of the day, I quit spending my money there back in November. I don't have to spend my money there. they're going to support this stuff whether it's on their website anymore or not. This stuff was going on all over. The talk was all over YouTube. People were saying they were going to return stuff, items that back to Tractor Supply over this. The CEO over Tractor Supply never come back with a public apology or anything. But you can't find it on their website anymore. Now, that's not to say that they're not supporting this stuff behind your back. You know, everything gonna be hush hush now because we're hitting them in the wallet by not shopping there. We're hitting them where it hurts, y'all. We need more people to stop shopping there and hit them in that wallet till we get the public. The CEO's got to step up and apologize publicly and admit he was wrong or she was wrong. Don't just ignore the problem because you just became the problem. This is the truth, y'all. I still believe in America. Right behind me, you see the stars and the bars. Now, you know, it's kind of like the Aaron Tippin song. If you don't stand for anything, you're like a puppet on a string. You know, or if you don't stand for anything, you are that puppet on the string. If you don't stand up for this, that means you're condoning this. If you keep shopping there, if I roll up in the parking lot and I see you there, then that's telling me that you condone that. Now, what am I going to think about you? Now, it ain't even got to be about me rolling up on you. It could be anybody that knows about it, that's watching this video, that is sick to their stomach right now. You know, I mean, really, as parents, we got to step up and say what's good and what's not for our children, our kids, the very ones we are supposed to protect, and do our job and protect them. That is our job, y'all, as grown adults. I'm asking you not to go shopping at Tractor Supply anymore. Let them shut it down. It's better you go to your local feed store anyway and buy your feed. That way you're getting it from local farmers. Come on, guys. This is America. Let's bring America back. You know, stop living by these laws of jungle. Come on, we got to have some morals. You know, and that's just that. You make up your own mind. You're a grown man or woman watching this video. But as for me and mine, we done with Tractor Supply. We seen all that we need to see. And we heard all that we need to hear. So, anyway, I hope everybody had a good new year. Like I say, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. And God bless you. Have a beautiful week. And we'll catch you on the flip side.